Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to talk about multi-mode function in statistics module in Python. So this function returns a list of most frequently occurring values in the order they were first encountered in the data, and this function will return more than one result if there are multiple modes. Or let's assume that there is an empty list, or if the data is empty, then this is the function which will return the empty list as the output. So let's assume a scenario that you have a string and you want to find out which is the most occurring character in that string. So let's say that I have this value. Within this value, I want to find out which is the most frequently occurring value. In that case, I can use this multi-mode function. So let's say that I have this value and I just want to get the frequently occurring value, then I can use this multi-mode function. So I can use this statistics.multimode function. So let me first import this module. Now I can simply use, or let's remove this print function. I can simply use s dot multi-mode, and then I have to give the argument which is this string, and if I put it into quotes and then if I run it, you can see that we are getting B, D and F. This means that B, D and F are appearing the most frequently in this string. And let's take a simple example. If I simply put B twice more over here and if I run it, you can see that we are getting B as the output. Why we are not getting D and F? The reason behind it that B is appearing 4 times over here, D is appearing 4 times over here, and F was appearing 4 times over here. Now if I remove this B which we have added and if I run it again, we are getting these three. So this multi-mode function returns the most frequently occurring values, and it will return more than one result if there are multiple modes. So for this string, there are multiple modes that B, D, and F are appearing 4 times. That's why this function is giving us the multiple modes. Now, what if our input is blank, or let's say our input is an empty list? In that case, what will happen? So let's say that I have given a blank list. If that is the case, let me put print over here as well as here. In this case, we are getting the empty list as our output. So whenever your input data is empty, in that case this function will return the empty list as the output. So this is a simple way that you can use this multi-mode function to get a list of most frequently occurring values in your data. Happy learning and see you in the next video.